Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Expressions of Kindness kit. Send paper hugs to friends with this beautiful card making kit. This stamping kit makes 8 cards and includes beautiful backgrounds and warm sentiments to put a smile on someone's face. It's available in English, French, and German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I love the elegant look of these cards. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection, click Shop Products, and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!